here's the thing. The plus side to it is I can throw it around the corner so easy. The downside to it is the reason why I can throw it around the corner so easy. It has
Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Chromeworks, Redline Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, you about to ride. I got to ride all the way.
It's that time of year again. Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. We are ready. And I can't wait to have you guys down to Knoxville, Tennessee. We are going to ride. We are going to ride. The host hotel will be the Hilton Garden Inn in Knoxville, Tennessee, 6200 Paper Mill Drive. Click the link below in the description to get a discounted rate. The banquet is on Saturday night, and tickets will be on sale to the banquet. Of course, we're going to have t-shirts provided and a giveaway for those who attend the banquet. We only have 130 tickets that we can sell. Last year, they sold out quickly. This year, I'm expecting it to do the same. I'll be giving you some more details on the rides that'll be coming up, so you make sure that you hit that subscribe button and turn on all notifications to be notified so you can receive up-to-the-minute information about the rides that we're going to be riding at Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Guys, I hope to see you there. Don't forget, mark your calendar for June 9th, 10th, and 11th for Traveling Tall's Run to the Hills 3. Last year we had a blast. This year's going to be even better. Like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding, and as always, have a blessed day.
all right, guys. It is a beautiful day today, and I'm here at the gas station, aka the Walmart. That's what we always called it. But guys, look, I'm out on the street glide today. Street glide, what am I talking about? I'm on the Road King today. Look at this thing. I had to get it out and show it some love. It has been sitting in the garage for a while since I've been messing with the other bike and been messing with the street glide. So now I got to get the Road King out. This thing is about almost 20 years old, but I love the way it looks. Now, I've never had it up here before. We're about to go on the Foothills Parkway. I've never had this thing out on the Foothills Parkway ever since it got the well, ever, but I definitely wanted to bring it out here since it got the new Zippers Performance 95 kit, hot 95 kit. Remember last year, guys, when I said it's going to be a Road King summer? Well, it's still going to be a Road King summer this summer coming up, but right now it's a Road King spring. This bike right here, I really enjoy riding it. It's just so much different from the street glide, different from the road glide. If you don't know what I did to it, it has a 95 big bore kit in it, and it really moves. Shout out to Zippers Performance. Behind me is Tez's Ultra, and he has this thing looking good. It has brand new Coastal Moto wheels on it, rotors, front and back. I said wheels, matching wheels. He has the brand new Chromeworks Eclipse exhaust on it, and they look fantastic. We're going to go that way. There's Tez. We're going to go that way to get on the parkway and take a little ride. We're at a gas station. We didn't get any gas. You think that was a smart move? You think we should get some gas? We're good. Hey, it says I got 3 dots here, but you know I'm working with a 5-gallon tank, and he has a 6-gallon tank. I would run out of gas before he does, but we ain't gonna let it get to that. Sun's going down. Well, we run out of gas, we keep doing this. But I can't help myself because this bike will run like a scalded dog. I'm telling you, this 05 Road King that Zippers Performance built is a monster. That 95 kit ain't no joke at all. And being on this little light bike, I can throw this thing around in the corner so easy. The only downside to this bike, well, here's the thing. The plus side to it is I can throw it around in the corner so easy. The downside to it is the reason why I can throw it around the corner so easy. It has the little bitty tires on the back. Not much width in the rear tire, but man, it makes it handle good. It just drops into a corner. But this is my first time really being on the road like this. And I feel like I say this all the time, but it is the time for deer to run out in front of you. So I'm not going to go at it that fast and hard. But we're going to go through at a nice smooth pace. Pigeon 4 is 25 miles, so surely I got 25 miles in the tank. Even if I just have 3 dots. Because you know, a Road King doesn't really have a gas gauge. No fuel or food available on the parkway. Now guys, for all other subscribers and viewers that came up here, Foothills Parkway, that rode the Run to the Hills 1 and 2, then you know this road. This is the Foothills Parkway. Lord willing, we will be up here for Run to the Hills 3. 25 mile per hour curve. Yeah, I might as well just finish that. Now, another thing, I don't have my O-lanes. All right, you see me, buddy? I don't have my O-lanes on this. I got them on both of the bikes. This is the only bike with the stock suspension. And Tez is behind me. Hey, Tez, I'll slow down when I get up to the top, okay, and wait on you, all right? Just take it easy. All right, so we're just riding. I'm not going to do too much. I just want to see how it handles. And so far, I'm just, man, this thing handles good. Oh, and by the way, I have no ABS. So that's another thing. The ABS, the brakes are horrendous on it. But besides that, it handles like it is on rails. See, right now I'm going this curve 55 miles per hour, or maybe my speedometer might be wrong for those that might be watching. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I'm not lifted up either. I'm lifted up a little bit with the 21 and the 18. By the way, guys, this bike came with like 16 and 16. And so I'm lifted up a little bit with the 21 and the 18. But as far as being lifted up with the full suspension like I got on my other 2 bikes, no. So I can drag hard parts on this real easy. And I really don't want to. So we're keeping it at a mild pace. At a mild pace. Yes, sir. This is a winner. It is a winner. It's just so easy to flick around. All right, we'll slow down a little bit. Enjoy the view. Look at that. I'm really enjoying these bars too. I think these are 10-inch bars. I know they're Chromeworks, but I think they're 10-inch bars from Chromeworks. And they have me just right. The seating position for regular traveling is not right, because I need to be pushed back a little bit further. But when I'm riding somewhat aggressive anyway, gear down a little bit, go through this curve. When I'm running somewhat aggressively, I'd be up like this anyway. Man, it just comes out the curve. Adam, if you're watching, Bob, Dan, this is a winner. I'm not kidding. It is going to be another Road King summer. Last year I kind of got it done late in the year and didn't have a chance because I had so many other things to do, but my goodness, this thing is great. I made a video talking about it's a $9,200 bike. And what I mean by that is a $9,200 bike is because at a time you could pick these things up for around $5,000, and then I don't remember, I guess the kit and everything was around you know what, I don't want to quote anything. Make sure you go watch that video. I'll tell you everything in the video about what it would cost and what it costs to do something like this. And it's worth every penny. It's just a different ride. My street glide is a good ride. I haven't had the road glide up here yet. I'm going to get the road glide up here next. But the way that it just, you can throw this around. Okay, you're flashing lights. Thank you. Look at all those Mustangs. You never know if they're flashing lights because there's something on the road, or if there is somebody up here checking radar, running radar. So we'll see. We will see. That is a beautiful view right there. My goodness gracious. Now the GoPro does not do its justice. Okay, Tez is right behind me. So we're just chilling now. We're going to chill for a minute because that guy flashed his lights. I don't know. I don't know. That could mean a bear on the road, deer, turkey, whatever, or the police. In this case, park ranger. I love the sound of the chrome works. It's not overbearing. It is, if you guys, you might be hearing my Cena about to go dead. It's not overbearing. It just has a nice rumble to it. But when you get on it, it has a great sound. You know what I mean? I like when you're coming off of the gas and you're gearing down and it makes that noise. It just sounds really good. We're just cruising along though. There's a house down there. I didn't realize there was a house down there. Okay, so it's like saying low battery every 15 seconds. That's going to shut off pretty soon. I don't have anything to charge it with on this thing. Now they make something that you can plug into the trickle charger port that will charge your devices. But Tez is with me, and he has a lot of stuff on that Ultra, so I'm going to take off my Cena, hand it to him, and then when I get up to the top, I'm going to hand it to him, and by the time we finish the ride, wait a minute, let me let you hear this. See, that's what I'm talking about right there. That sounds so good. By the time we get down to the very bottom, it'll probably be ready to use again. See, a curve like this makes you really want to get into it. But I don't know. I don't want to scrape hard parts right now. This is, I don't abuse any bike that I have, but I really take care of this one, you know. I was in the wrong gear. Going that way. And we're going back to the left. Nice little sweeper. Going back to the right. I'm going to take the outside, cut to the inside. Oh, my intercom just went dead. Now I'm going this way. I'm not lined up right, actually that was the wrong line, but I'm committed to it now, leaning on and go. Sometimes you got to be committed to it. Back over to the right, left I mean. The light is coming through the trees. It's kind of messing with me a little bit. Okay, where did Tez go? Oh, there he is. He's back there. Kind of messing with me a little bit. So, just doing something to my eyes, you know, kind of like a strobe effect. We're not far from the top now. A couple more curves. Right here, that big house on top of that hill. Okay, he's flashing lights. Okay. All right. Slow it down. They keep flashing lights, then they're trying to tell me something. he's flashing his lights too. So he must be up here. 25 miles per hour on this curve here. So the thing is, you can take a bike that's a 2005 that had an 88 cubic inch motor in it, take that, put a Zippers Performance 95 kit. Now that 88 cubic inch, oh no, man, is he okay? Let's check on these folks. Ambulance coming?
Should be.
So, yeah, that right there, you never want to see that, right? I'm glad he's okay. I don't know what happened, but he seemed like he was all right. He said he might have broke his foot. Things like that, that's a reminder that you gotta be careful on these motorcycles. Yeah, I have a good time. Yeah, I go, you know, at a spirited pace through the turns. And you know, with the more speed you have, that sometimes you are increasing the risk factor. So you gotta be careful. You do. And I'm not saying that young man wasn't being careful. I don't know what happened. Something could have pulled out in front of him. I'm not going to be assuming what happened, but just got to be careful on these bikes. Just a reminder, as much fun as they are, we still have to be careful. But guys, we're here at the top. We made it to the top. This is what I call the bridges. What I mean, this is just what they are, the bridges. But this is one of the most spectacular views that you will ever see. Right here. We're going to pull over and look at the view. Alright guys, so let me show you this. Usually I just jump up there, but today my legs are a little cramped up. Look at that right there, just soaring. That's so awesome. Look at this view. That is amazing. What do you think, Tez? Yes, it is. No, you can't. You can't. Well, I'll tell you, when I look at that, I just want to just throw up my hands and say, God is good. I'm not kidding. Thank you, Lord, for letting me live and be able to see stuff like this and do stuff like this. I am grateful.